very good day to you and welcome to the Lisbon House studio for this channel update. In order to enable this channel to grow, we really need to promote ourselves amongst GRP boaters, kayakers and people with an interest in all things boaty. So with that in mind, on Saturday the 17th December 2022, Steve and I will be going to Sawley Marina for their winter waterside market, and we've hired some space to put up a gazebo so that we can set up a video screen and try to entice as many people as possible to come and look at a channel promotional video and get them to subscribe and watch. The day will enable us to talk face to face to people, show them a channel video, some photographs and give them the details of the channel, and a free pin badge to all who are already subscribed and to those who join on the day. We hope as many people who can will join us on our first ever promotional day. My video coming up this Saturday, the 3rd of December 2022, is the second part of our visit by boat to Nottingham and includes a look round the Nottingham Castle Marina. The following week my video is about adding some important modifications to the Swamp Duck. Thank you for your continued support and please help the channel to grow by sharing my videos amongst your family and friends and any boating buddies.